from our guest, Dr. Satyanarayana Saab, Mr. Aresh Sharma, and Harsh Chitle about the opportunity. There are a lot of opportunities are in the country. How do we take it forward? Do we need a team? Do we need a company? How the mission objective will be clear? War India always believes that people are the most important part of the transformation process, key to growth and success of any organization. Each organization has its own expertise to address the market. The role of a technology evangelist is critical in driving early adoption of emerging technologies. A technology evangelist is a person who attempts to build a critical mass of support for an emergent technology in order to establish it as a technical standard in the market. The true evangelist is always aggressive. Through innovation and iteration, they aim to take things that work well and improve upon them in unexpected ways. Evangelists are expected to play a major role in formulating the domestic needs and conditions at affordable price points. An evangelist promotes the use of particular product or technology through talks, articles, blogging, user demonstrations, recorded demonstrations, or creation of sample projects. The typical technology evangelist exhibits a strong sense of urgency, initiative, and competitive drive, accomplishing tasks at a fast pace both through individuals. While there is inherent urgency tied to goal achievement, technical evangelists share an equal responsibility to the achievement of goals before the technology life cycle gravitates into majority adoption. The technical evangelist is one who is passionate, self-confident, self-starter, skillful at training and development other individuals. Technology evangelist possesses excellent communication skills and are masters at influencing the ecosystem of IT as being equally adept at encouraging customers to try out the technology. So, India is a recognized global player in software and software services sector and one of the fastest growing markets of electronics in the world. The demand of electronics industry is expected to reach USD 400 billion by 2020. Technology evangelists have a major role to play in developing custom standards to meet specific Indian conditions by suitably reviewing existing standards and to create ecosystem for manufacturing in the country moving towards digitization. Our editorial board has worked hard to look out the evangelists starting from the category of printers to electronic security and converged infrastructure. Here is the entire IT industry in this hall. We are here recognizing the real heroes in the industry who has done the hard work for the industry as an evangelist. So, may I request the designated evangelist to come on the stage. Mr. Alok Bhardwaj, Senior Vice President, Canon India for the Digital Lifestyle. Mr. K.R. Naik, Chairman SmartLink for the Technology Market Mapping. Mr. Pramod Rao, MD, Zycom Electronic Security. Tushar Shigat, CEO, D-Link Networking for the category of networking. Lakshmi Narayan Rao, Country Head, Cloud Services, HP India for the category of cloud computing. Vishal Dhupar, unfortunately he is not here, MD, NVIDIA for understanding the Indian wars. Som Satsangi, Director of Technology Services, HP India for his contribution towards converged infrastructure. Bhaskar B, Regional Director, India SARC, Checkpoint for the category of security. Jagannath Patnaik, Director Sales, Kaspersky for his contribution towards antivirus. He has got 6,900 votes from the community. Anup Nambiar, BPO, Director, Business Process Organization, IBM India, understanding Indian IT channel business, going to the heart of the India. Kalyan Sridhar, Vice President, Rational Software, IBM India for his contribution to the software business in the country. Manish Pant, MD, Luminous for his category of energy optimization. Sanjeev Sehgal, MD, Spurs for contribution for taking ahead for the CCTV. Ganesh Arugam, Director, Partners, VMware for the technology development of the virtualization. Kamal Sharma, Group CIO, Kamal's Mindlens for the contribution into the system integration. M. Chandrasekharan, Vice President, HCL for office automation business. Series Moge, Country Manager from Motorola Solution, Motorola's core competency into mission critical solutions. Tarun Malik, Director, Online Business, Microsoft for Cloud Computing in Education. Ashok A. Laha, President and CTO, Intera IT, Mobile Computing Services. Mr. Hemal Patel, MD, Elite Core for Networking Engineering. May I invite everyone to the stage? Meher, can you take it?
Yes, I will, Mrs. Sahu. And we would like to felicitate all of you with a token of appreciation and a request, Mr. J. Satyanarayana, Secretary, IT, Government of India, sir, to please join us along with Mr. Sahu in felicitating all these distinguished gentlemen on stage.
Sir, our electronic policy is coming up. I hope these technologies, technical evangelists will have a great role to play for our meeting of the objectives.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. It is indeed a great moment. Congratulations to all the evangelists. This club of evangelists are going to play a major role in achieving of the objectives for India to become a future manufacturing hub. The Club of Evangelists, ladies and gentlemen, is on stage, making India proud and making India globally very the future of the manufacturing. Come on everyone, be generous. Be extremely generous with your hands together and making the loud noise that all these people, all the evangelists on stage really do deserve. A group photograph, please.